How to cancel your Shein order. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can cancel your Shein apps order, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to cancel your Shein apps order, what you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all you have to understand a very distinctive thing here. If you've ordered something, the seller has not seen it, has not packaged, hasn't even taken a step to pack your order and process it, in that case the order is very easily cancelable. But if the seller has already packaged it, they've already shipped to the warehouse, the only thing left is to simply it being delivered to you, in that case the order is not cancelable. It is still cancelable, but it is a lengthy process. You have to contact the customer care or the Shein contact customer care directly in order to get help with this so that you can cancel the order. So it depends upon what stage the order actually is in. If you're lucky, you can still cancel them by opening the Shein app, just going to the Me option from the bottom right of the screen. You'll find the My Orders button. You can just tap the View All button, as you will be able to find it here. Once you tap on View All button, you'll be able to see all the orders that you've made on the Shein app. If you look for a specific order you want to cancel before they are processed, and then you'll be able to cancel them. In case you're not able to cancel them, then you have to just contact the customer care by just tapping this little headphone icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then you'll be able to cancel and contact the customer care. Let them know about the issue and they should be able to help you with that. This way you can cancel your Shein order. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.